So this we saw is a taste of Louisville tradition. It's ice cream. We're supposed to be going to water park, the Waterfront Park, or yeah, I think it's Waterfront Park. But we saw this on the way and we decided, let's check it out. Let's see what a taste of Louisville tradition is given. So let's go inside. They have Buckeyes. Alright, so we got the bourbon pecan fudge ice cream. And we're gonna share. Mommy got a brownie, but it was $5 even for the ice cream, and it tastes so rich because I had a little sample. So yeah. That's what kind of. So this is the stadium that we're looking at right here, and then the Waterfront Park. Well, this is not the exact Waterfront Park, but it's I think Finn's Park or something like that. I just wanted to get really close to the Louisville Slugger Field. You can take a picture of the front of it. KFC Yum Center, Louisville Slugger Field, Waterfront Park. So this is the Louisville Slugger Field. We basically hit a lot, well, I don't want to say all, but a lot of the main attractions in Louisville. So we saw the Yum Center, the Louisville Slugger Field. We went to the Louisville Slugger Museum and Bat facility. Bourbon tasting at Art Eatables. What else is there? I have it on a map, but we did a lot of the main attractions, like all the main free attractions at least. So yeah. Alright, so this is called the Flock of Finns. The sculpture garden is the work of Marvin Finn, an internationally known Louisville folk artist. The 28 colorful steel sculptures before you are based on Finn's original work, small wooden birds known for their variety patterns and bright colors. Okay, so this is the guide to downtown Louisville, right? Now we are staying in, let me see, in this area here. This area is where we're staying. We've explored all here. We went all the way down to right here, the Louisville Slugger Museum. We walked down this area, saw the Muhammad Ali Center. We also passed all of here. We saw the Kentucky Center. We passed the convention center, like walking up to get to these places. We saw the KFC Yum Center, went inside. We explored this area here just now, and then we made our way all the way down to the Louisville Slugger Field. And then now we're in this area here by the waterfront. Somewhere, yeah, we're like right here because we could see the bridge here. So we're somewhere here, but we've explored all here, and then we came down to here to catch the bus to go to the supermarket. So we've explored basically almost the whole of the downtown area. We just didn't hit these areas here specifically, but we definitely walked down into all of this. So yeah, Louisville is a very walkable area. You can see it all in a few days, and it was lots of fun, but we still got more to go. So yeah.